tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to understand how to do different kind of things into the Barry. We are trying to provide user that how can he do couple of changes like how to change the color, how to set the typography, how to change the font styles, and a couple of things. So we call this how-to tutorial series. So in this tutorial, in this video, we are going to understand that how one user can set the theme color. By default, we provided 7 presets with the colors, which you can see in the customizer. But user might be confused that how can they change from the code. So we are going to explain that part. First thing I'll show the live customizer from the library dashboard, that how user can change the preset color, and then I'll show the code configurations that where user can switch those configurations or those presets, because that reducer or that sorry not a reducer, that preset customizer is not available in the skeleton version, or whoever is going to use that one, they don't need that preset. So I'll explain how user can change that preset by just changing few line of code, and then after that I'll show how one can set the custom colors. Although we have provided 7 different combinations of those presets, but it might be possible that some users have different requirement of color and styling. So I'll also explain how we can do that. So let's begin. Let me show the live customizer. So I have a Barry dashboard I open here. This is the landing page. Let me refresh it once, and this is the dashboard page. So you guys can see that at both of the places we have a customizer here, which we can call as a live customizer thing, where user can do change the layout like from light to dark, and then also set the presets here, different colors as a combination. You can see here those colors are changing. So like this, we have total 7 preset. Among them, 6 are the dual tone and 1 is in the single tone, like this. The same can be accessible here. So if I want to do this, yeah, it just changed here as well, likewise here itself, and this is single tone color, so like this. So this is how the customizer works. We have a reducer at the back end, so it's making effects directly, it's making impact on the fly. But in the skeleton version, which most of the users opt for the development startup, as a startup of the development, they might not have that code, might not have this live customizer, or one does not need this customizer in his side. So I'll explain how to change this color. So I have a 3.0 skeleton branch open in my system, and I have also my development environment in the running mode. Like here, this is to my landing page, which is default. You can see here there are no customizer here on the right side of the screen. This is the landing page or sample page from the skeleton. All right. So this comes with the default layout, default color combination, and if one wants that, I want to switch to, instead of default, to like second number or third number theme, right? So I'll explain how to do that. So those variables are defined here. If you go into the src and then config.ts, we have defined those variables here. So just to switch those back from theme 2, theme 3, whatever, from the default, one can just copy this and set it here. So if I put it here, save it, and then once it's compiled, and if I go back to the here, the local host, we'll see that this color has been changed to the theme 3. Yeah, see, these colors are changed here as well. This is my home page for the skeleton, right? This colors and everything has been changed. So it is as much as simple. All the color combination has been changed, and that has been applied. So there are total 7 presets available in the system. User can opt anything from those 7. Now we have light and dark both the mode as I mentioned. So that is also as much as simple here in the theme at the same file in the config.ts. Instead of light, user can just copy this and set it to dark, and the thing will be changed to dark. So yeah, let me do it here as well in the meantime. See, impressive, isn't it? Dark mode is little better than the light mode. Yeah. So this is it. The next thing, uh, everything is being managed here, so you can play around with these things here. There are other settings here like the languages and article layout and other things like font family, border radius. Everything that is being handled inside this preset, like font family, border radius, everything input with filled background or without background, like you can see the impact here itself. So everything is managed in the config.ts itself, and that can be used on a different location to manage those things. So you can play around with this, see how it works. In the next video, I'll show that from this default, like we have this 7 colors. So whatever 7 default primary presets we are providing, those colors are defined here itself. Theme 1, theme 2, theme 4, everything here. Right, this and this is theme where's model is the default one. And yeah, so in the next video I'll show that how can you change this colors itself, how can you create a new module file from the SCSS, how can you render that your custom defined colors from Barry. So if you don't want to use from the 7 colors, you can create the new one and set your custom colors. So you just need to set these variables and things will be easy. So I'll walk through that in the next video. Yeah, so till now that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.